welcome back to Learn English Step by Step. I'm your host Abdul Samad, and today is episode 2. Are you ready to learn how to introduce yourself in English? Let's go. When you meet someone for the first time, you need to tell them your name, your country, and maybe your age or job. Let's learn some expressions. You can say, my name is, then you can add your name here. I'm from your country. I'm 8 years old. I'm your job, or if you are studying. Now, let's do some practice. My name is Sarah. I'm from Morocco. I'm 20 years old. I'm a student. Now, pause the video and do it yourself. Great job, you've done a good work. Let's listen to a short conversation between two people. I'm going to share with you a small conversation, then you can practice with your colleague. Hello, what's your name? My name's Eden. What's your name? I'm Leila. Where are you from? I'm from Egypt. And you? I'm from Morocco. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Now let's practice. I will say A and you will say B. Hello, what's your name? Great. What's your name? Where are you from? Nice to meet you. Awesome. You're speaking English now. I'm going to share with you some tips. Practice in front of the mirror. Say your name, your country, and something simple about you. Speak slowly and clearly. For example, hi, I'm Yassine. I'm from Tunisia. You can do it. Thank you for listening to episode 2 of Learn English Step by Step. Today, you learned how to introduce yourself. Tomorrow, you'll learn about numbers and ages. Don't forget, speak a little English every day. See you next time, and remember, you can speak English. Have a good day.